After installation, come back to Sheet. Now, go to Add-ons menu, then Bulk Mail. Then, click Create Sheet. It will add two new sheets. One is Template Sheet and another is a Bulk Mail Data Sheet. Don't rename these two sheets. Right now, don't do anything in the Bulk Mail Data Sheet. Delete sample data from Template Sheet. After deleting sample data from template sheet, add your variable in that sheet data. Make sure that the header of the column is the same as the variable name which you entered in the draft. See, here the variable is first name, so the header of the respective column is also first name. At the time of sending the email, the all variables of the draft will be replaced by the data which you entered in the sheet. If variables are more than available column, then simply add a new column and give the same name to the header which is in draft. You can rename only blue headers. Read note of each header before renaming. Now, let's add an image ID. This image will be shown where you wrote image with the curly bracket in draft. First, upload all images in Google Drive. Take the ID of each image and paste it in Sheet. For any Google files, everything between D/2/view is the ID of that file. Just copy that. Paste in the sheet. Do the same for all images. You can also set Google Form to easily get image IDs. Now, add image width and height. Add only if you want to adjust it before sending the mails. Leave it blank to send an image with its original size. Add sender name. This name will be shown in the receiver's inbox in bold letters. Add an email addresses into to CC, BCC and reply to columns. If you want to add more than one email address, then add semicolon between two IDs. You may leave CC, BCC and reply to column blank if you don't want to use. Upload attachment file in Google Drive, then add Google Drive ID of attachment in Sheet. If you want to add more than one attachment in single mail, then add a multiplication symbol between two IDs. Add the date on which you want to send the email. Leave it blank if you want to send it instantly when you press run.